In order to set up SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer, and then you should be able to go into the Samsung folder where you should be able to find the SmartThings app. So let's go ahead and open it. And after that, you should press continue and then go to more in order to see the full list of permissions that we need to grant, and then press continue. Now over here we have this welcome message that you can check out, but you can also skip by tapping on skip over here in the top right corner. We can also allow the access to location while using the app and some other stuff as well. And there we go. Here we can create our house, our whole map. But also we can press this plus button over here in the top right corner in order to, for example, add a device. And then you can follow the rest of the instructions from here. You can also scan with the QR code, or you can scan nearby. Besides that, we can also create a service over here. We can create a routine, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, a bunch of different options. We can also invite other members that can use devices or appliances that we have at our home. If you switch to devices, you should be able to find all of them. There is also a list of different rooms. Some of them are created for us, but you can also go ahead and tap on these three dots in order to manage rooms and devices. So you can create your own rooms over here, and then you can manage them from there. And that's pretty much it. Over here we also have some other stuff that are worth checking out. For example, routines over here. Some of them are manuals. You can also automate them a bit. And over here in menu we have some additional options like the voice assistant, virtual home, companion apps, and Android Auto. And also the how to use instruction in case you need additional help. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.